Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Prabhata Loves Movies. Today I'll be doing a curtain raiser on one of the most awaited Hindi web series of this year, Family Man Season 2, which will be streaming on Amazon from 4th. What makes the second season more exciting is the addition of Samantha Akineni. Samantha Akineni will be seen playing a role of an LTT militant, Raji. From the trailer, it is very clear that Manoj Bajpayee's Srikanth is caught in the crossfire between his family woes and the terrorist plans of Raji. For those who haven't seen the first season, the plot of it revolved around a seemingly middle class man, Srikanth Tiwari, played by Manoj Bajpayee. On the surface, he looks like a typical middle class guy who is pushing files in the office for a living. But actually, he is an agent working for the Threat Analysis and Surveillance Center, TASC. The job of Srikanth is to capture the terrorists and look for clues while the bombs are being diffused by the experts. The terrorists here in question are those related to ISIS and Pakistan. The responsibility falls on Srikanth and his team in order to make sure that the plans of the extremists won't work. While all this is going on, you have another track which runs parallelly. This track relates to Srikanth's family life, which is tottering. His wife, played by Priyamani, is on the brink of an affair. His daughter, on the other hand, is covering up for a boy who is giving pills in the classroom. The son is also a little brat of his own. What made this plot work was the treatment of the director duo Raj and DK. We are generally used to seeing spies as larger than life heroes. But Raj and DK gave a different spin to this character. Some of the best scenes in the series are those which involve Srikanth juggling between his professional and personal life. This juggling act makes the character of Srikanth and his world more relatable. The series also worked for the Jugal Bandi between Manoj Bajpayee and Sharab Hashmi, who plays Srikanth's trusted aide. Their friendship appeared very real on screen. You will definitely smile when both of them appear together on the screen. The series also deserves an appreciation for how it tackles some of the issues which are affecting our country. Sure, the treatment could have been deeper at places, but still Raj and DK do a good job for the most part. For example, there are scenes where Muslim students are beaten up by the policemen for no other reason except that they are Muslims. You also have videos of mob lynching which are circulated by the students. There is also a segment in Kashmir when Manoj Bajpayee's character gets transferred there. In one of the scenes, Gul Palang's character talks about how the common people in Kashmir are the worst affected in the crossfire between the Indian army and the militants. She also almost suggests that there is no difference between the Indian army and the militants. Not surprisingly, these dialogues didn't at all go down well with the RSS, and there was a huge controversy around it. Last but not the least, the series also gave an opportunity for Manoj Bajpayee to play a leading role, which is not something that he usually gets in commercial Hindi films. And the actor carried the show and deserves that he can pull off the solo lead very competently. All these factors made the first season a super success and created a huge buzz for the second season. From the looks of the trailer of the second season, things look very promising. The one-liners of Manoj Bajpayee are sure to make you chuckle, and the chemistry between him and Sharab Hashmi looks intact. One of the things that I am personally looking forward to is seeing Samantha's role. It looks like an edgy character with lots of grey shades, Given the talent that Samantha possesses, I am sure that the actress will deliver a kick-ass performance. Now, the season 2 has also got into some controversy because some people feel that the portrayal of Samantha's character is objectionable. It will be too early to comment on the character just based on the trailer. Given that Raj and DK are sensitive directors, I am sure that they would have kept the Tamil sensibilities in mind while they were making the series. I would end this post by wishing all the best to the entire team of season 2, and here's hoping that season 2 works as good as the first one. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel Prabhata Loves Movies. Signing off until we meet next time, Rigo Varta Prabhata.